Hey guys, welcome back. Just another quick video. I've been working a lot in Blender lately, and let's just pull up. And I just downloaded version 4. Version 3 something worked fine on my Linux Mint setup. I tried version 4 because I'm taking a class and I need 4. Anyway, long story, it locks up. So I just want to do a quick video on if you're running Linux and you're new to it, what you can do to clear those locked up apps. And if you type system in your search bar, you can go to System Monitor, and it'll bring this up, and you can click on your. I have 2 instances of Blender that are locked up. You can click that, right-click the Blender right there, and do kill, and it will say, "Are you sure?" and you kill it. And that is how you get unstuck easily from the GUI without typing in a bunch of terminal commands to keep moving forward. Anyway, just a quick one today, guys. There hopefully will be a fix soon on Blender 4 running on Linux Mint, because I'm going to dig into this and try to figure this one out. Thanks, guys. We'll see you soon.